So thanks for coming to Midas today, Dave. I really appreciate you coming along and looking at what we've done. We're really proud of our green initiative, and it's really good to be able to share it with you, and hopefully you'll be able to tell other people what we're doing and maybe use us as an example.
Try and stop me?
In greening your business and being a responsible manufacturer, you don't just help to save the planet, but you reduce your costs. Well, what business wouldn't want to do that, whether they are green-minded or not? It's so simple.
And as we're walking around, we sort of asked you about what your customers are thinking and what they're sort of saying. Are they?
It's really obvious to me that as business is forced to become green rather than doing it out of choice as we've done, well then they're going to be forced to partner with companies that have good solid green credentials. Our green credentials are impeccable. Why wouldn't a blue chip company want to partner with a business that not only provides the very best polyurethane mouldings on the market, but does it from a totally responsible point of view?
And that's the bottom line. It's you get your business because your product, isn't it? When we're walking around, it's about the quality of the product, and you also is green as well, so you'll get the work from that.
Yeah. We are carbon net zero as of 1st of January, and I think when you look at our customers and our suppliers and our employees, you really can't work with or for a company that is doing more right now than we are to show true green responsibility.
Thanks very much.
No, that's lovely. It's been really good talking to you today.
Thanks very much.
Thanks for visiting.